How to find your player ID in Disney Speedstorm. Hey gamers, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily find your player ID in Disney Speedstorm game. Your player ID is a unique identifier to your account, which is useful for support, adding friends, or linking accounts. So in order to find your user ID or player ID, launch open the Disney Speedstorm game, and from the lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your avatar. This will open up your profile section where you'll see your avatar, and right underneath the avatar you'll see your ID. The ID can be written in a piece of a paper, or you can also take a screenshot of this page. Write it exactly as it appears, and you can use it for friend requests, customer support, or linking accounts. So that is how you successfully find your player ID in Disney Speedstorm. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.